Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today our group will present about technology and development economy. The objective of this study is to examine the relationship between the technology and economic development in Malaysia. Technology is about scientific discipline focused on the study, research, development and innovation of technique and procedure, tools and implement for the transformation of raw material into useful object or goods. There are a few important technology to developing country. First is advancing communication. Second, reducing the cost of production. Third, encouraging the growth of new business and help make the spread of globalization even quicker. Technological advance included the invention of product, for example, telephones, radio, television, and airplanes.
For the relationship of technology and development economics, where in economics it is accepted that technology is a key of economic development of nation, region, and cities. Technology progress will allow more efficient production of more and better goods and services, which is what prosperity depends on. It will shift towards open innovation, has resulted in increased flow of data and new type of cooperation. In order to achieve the full benefit of innovation, it is important for it to increase more through the economics and to support businesses of different industry and size equally. The top corporation R&D investor will lead the development of many emerging technologies in the country. For example, done an examination of the technology fields in which this company intensified their incentive activities in recent years and the contribution of top R&D investor to the overall development of particular fields. Technological innovation based on research also can boost the nation's income. The ability to technology and its practice in economic processes facilitates the valuable position within the global labor divisions. Technologies can contribute to the efficiency of businesses' output rate, where it will allow the large quantities of product to be removed or of services to be rendered. This is because technology has leading to increase the division of labor and specialization of job within the business and further contributing to the efficiency which is a business is able to run. Education is one of the fundamental factors of the technology and development economics. This is because the education will increase the people in productivity and creativity and promote entrepreneurship and technological advance. It is also playing a very crucial role in scheduling economics and improving income distribution for the country. For labor productive, it is believed to increase the productivity and eventually can lead a better flow of goods and services and more people participation in the international market. Economics has played important role within the identification of contribution of technology in the growth of economics. They believe that improving productivity and making a growth of economic in one particular country using technology are main priorities for the country. Productivity is gain a key driver which ultimately leads to economic development and high standard of living. It is also contribute to economic development is one of the main advantages of creativity. Creativity will lead to higher efficiency, which involved with higher output is produced from the same input. For example, if productivity increased, there will be more product and services are generated and will cause the economies to increase more. For customers and companies, creativity and productivity grow offer vast benefit.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sapura binti Amran. I will present about impact technology to the economy development. The first impact is GDP per capita will be increased. Technology is widely recognized in economy as the primary driver of economic growth in country. Technology is a key component in boosting the economic growth rate at the macro and micro level. GDP refer to the total value of all products and services generated in economy. Developing countries such as Malaysia have experienced growth in GDP caused the use of technology in the country. The digital economy in Malaysia contribute 2017 67.7 million ringgit to the GDP Malaysia in 2018. The second impact is poverty and unemployment in the country will be decreased. Technology will lead to growth and increased wealth in the economy sector, especially the industry sector. The growth of industry sector in the country will lead to increased employment opportunity for the labor force. The increased employment opportunity will cause the number of unemployment decrease, and this will reduce the poverty rate in the country. Okay, the third impact technology to economy development is the level of education increase. The existence of technology in the education sector such as 3D visualization tools, digital camera, projector, mind training software, computer, and PowerPoint presentation can facilitate teacher to do learning activity, and this can also improve the quality of student in the country. The use of high technology system in the learning will cause the number of skilled labor force in the country increase, and this will have a positive impact on the economy growth in the country.
My name is Vidya Joni. I'm going to present the challenges of technology in economic development. Firstly, government policy. The majority of developing nations have poor information technology policy, which has delayed the growth and implementation of IT. They face the lack of resources to develop IT. The country also depends on developed countries to ensure the development of IT in their country. Secondly, infrastructure. In developing countries, internet facilities are limited and only located in the big cities. There is a lack of adequate electricity supply in most developing countries, as the electricity generating sectors is not well developed. Thirdly, rising inequality. New technologies that are capital intensive and require higher level of skills have made it difficult for an unskilled workforce to compete for jobs. Differences in skill levels and qualifications will also lead to increased wage inequality. This inequality will contribute to increased social tension and political divisions. Fourthly, training and qualification. Developing countries face a lack of skilled human resources using information technology in an ever-changing industry. This is due to the lack of training by recognized IT professionals. They also lack awareness of the importance of ICT in development. Lastly, shifts in labor markets. Digital advances have led to a shift in labor demand from low level to higher level skills complemented by more sophisticated analytical, technical, and management skills. On the supply side, workers who have the skills to meet the demand for new technologies are very few.
Hi, good day everyone. Today I'm going to present my topic 5.0 recommendation. First of all, service and training center. Training centers can aid in the promotion of economy by providing advanced training and technical skills to the labor force. Second one is efficient capital market. People would be encouraged to save and utilize technological imports if banks and financial institutions encourage it. Third recommendation is removal of tax. To encourage company savings, tax breaks should be given to companies that save a larger percentage of their profits and invest it in technology imports. Another one is useful labor force. Advanced technology can be employed by skilled workers. improve the industry's production and profit margins in order to support the economy. Industrial expansion, application of technology in businesses that can boost total output, resulting in higher profitability and economic progress. The sixth recommendation is natural resources. Technology has a significant impact on enterprises and governments' abilities to acquire natural resources and utilize them most effectively for the benefit of both the business and the company. Moreover, research. Better technology has prompted more study in practically every field of business and science, implying that organizations can benefit from a wide range of technological improvements. Finally, the Internet and international trade. Information technology is the single most essential factor in the success and expansion of international trade and job creation, allowing businesses to share information and conduct commerce in less than a second.
In conclusion, technological investment is one of the factors in economic growth. Technology is helping economy in developing countries include reducing the cost of production, encouraging the growth of new business, and advancing communication. According to Siti Rohani 1988, economic growth refers to the state of an economy whether it's able to increase the source of raw material and use of human resource used to be more productive or not. Digitizing can work for destructive and enabling business. For example, digital technologies such as big data analytical (DBA), artificial intelligence (IA), Internet of Everything (IoT), and clouding computing helping business and individual increasing capability. Lastly, software company can leverage advances in digital technology. For example, develop application for smart factory, smart camera, transportation, and smart home and online business. That's all. Thank you.